In today's video, I'm going to teach you what SOS means on iPhone and how to fix it. If you've ever seen OS or OS only at the top of your screen, don't panic. It simply means your iPhone lost its normal connection to your carrier, but can still place emergency calls through other networks. Until it reconnects, you won't be able to make regular calls or use mobile data. This usually happens in weak coverage areas. After a software hiccup, or when here is an issue with your SIM or eSIM. First, try a quick airplane mode refresh. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait about 15 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. That brief pause lets your phone drop the current radio session and start a fresh handshake with nearby towers. Often, this alone clears the SOS message. If SOS sticks around, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot clears minor glitches that can block your phone from talking to the network. Power it off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on and watch the status bar reconnect. Next, check your SIM settings. If you use an eSIM, open Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Service, and toggle your eSIM off and back on. This forces a quick re-registration with your carrier profile. If you have a physical SIM, use a paperclip to pop out the SIM tray. Wipe the gold contacts with a clean dry cloth and reinsert the card firmly. Be gentle with the tray and make sure it's fully seated before you continue. If you are still seeing SOS, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and tap Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will reboot and rebuild its cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth configurations. Remember, this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, so you may need to reconnect those later. Finally, check for a carrier settings update. Open Settings, go to General, then About, and wait on that screen for a few seconds. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to install it. These small updates come from your carrier and can improve connectivity and compatibility. In most cases, one of these steps restores service quickly. If you are in a spot with no coverage or here is a wider outage, the SOS indicator may linger until service returns. Thanks for watching.